Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Esmeralda Tamayo. I'm 33 years old, married. I have two sons. My experience as a domestic helper is 8 years, 2 years in Saudi, 6 years in Hong Kong. In Hong Kong, I'm serving Indian family, taking care of the children and taking care of the dog, and cleaning and cooking. My personality is I'm a proud Christian, and if I find a new job, I want Saturday off and own room, exclusive Saturday off, and I'm okay to be alone, no coworker, no companion, and I'm prepared to taking care of a dog and child and cooking, cleaning. I can manage the house in 6 years. That's my work here in Hong Kong, and that's it, ma'am. Thank you.